then one thing we also need to add is some salt. And we do about half a teaspoon of salt for this recipe. Let me see. Where did the half a teaspoon go? Here we go. And then you just start folding it all together. And it starts to take on the appearance of a really kind of thick,
I see, it's getting creamy.
delicious chocolate sauce.
Great.
And
Let's just look this up. That was so easy, Rachel.
yeah,
Wow.
and you can
Great.
just dip a strawberry
Let's
into
do it. Here, I'll dip
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Ooh, I gotta try this one.
Mm-hmm.
That's delicious. That's great. This is fantastic. I like raw foods. I'm coming back.
Mm-hmm.